Hello and welcome. Meet the 698 to 2700 MHz directional coupler, expertly designed for efficient VHF RF signal distribution. With a broad 698 to 2700 MHz frequency range, 19 decibels directivity, and robust 200 W power, handling this RF directional coupler ensures stable performance even in demanding environments. Its compact 12040*17.5 mm size and female connectors and 50 ohm impedance make installation simple, while reliable operation is guaranteed from -55 to +85 degrees Celsius. Export standard packaging keeps your product safe during delivery. Trust the 698 to 2700 MHz directional coupler for reliable signal management and visit System5o.com to learn more or order yours today.